Creating a successful subscription service, 11 emerging trends and hacks. The subscription service model is thriving, offering an excellent way to generate recurring revenue. Here are 11 emerging trends and hacks to help you create and grow a successful subscription service. Personalization. Use AI to tailor services to individual preferences, enhancing customer satisfaction. Tiered pricing models offer multiple pricing tiers to cater to different customer segments. Subscription boxes curate and deliver themed boxes for a unique customer experience. Sustainable products focus on eco-friendly products to attract environmentally conscious consumers. Content access provide exclusive content as part of the subscription. Mobile apps develop mobile apps to improve user experience and engagement. Free trials offer free trials to attract new subscribers and showcase value. Community building foster a community around your subscription service for customer loyalty. Referral programs implement referral programs to encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Data analytics leverage data to understand customer behavior and improve offerings. Automated billing use automated billing systems to streamline payment processes. By adopting these strategies, you can maximize your income potential in the subscription service market.